just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, U.S.A. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your legs. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos y pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuida a los pequeños. Gracias. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know minding this area. Those guys aren't fixing for something a bit quieter. Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Is there the trains have a mind of their own? Yeah. The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise. Telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic... Listen. Hear that?
On a big metal snake.
Oh, Peter, that's not a snake. It's a train.
Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put.
Just a quick reminder, folks, we do need all body parts inside the train at all times, please. Please keep all body parts inside the train. That includes feet. Thank you.
We really must find some stronger friends.
Oh, it is. Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all...
Once again, folks, if our feet are outside the train, please pull it right back inside those red bars for me, please. Thank you.
Storybook Circus.